Mae diogel yn y dŵr yn gynllun a reolir yn genedlaethol gan yr RNLI a Nofio Cymru i ddysgu pobl ifanc sut i gadw'n ddiogel mewn dŵr agored. Cafodd ein sesiynau diogel yn y dŵr i ysgolion cynradd Gwynedd eu cynnal eleni ar draws y sir yn Plas Heli, Plas Menai, Tywyn ac y Bala mewn cydweithrediad â Plas Menai, Pacwood ac Urdd Gobaith Cymru. Diolch i grant gan Children's Alliance roedd modd cynnig sesiynau eleni yn rhad ac am ddim i'r holl ysgolion a fynychodd, gan ganiatáu y gall plant o bob cefndir gymryd rhan a dysgu sgiliau a allai achub eu bywyd rhyw ddiwrnod.
So my name's Hannah, I'm National Learner Swim Manager for Swim Wales. Swim Safe Cymru is a fantastic opportunity to give children and young people the experience of open water. So we're really passionate about ensuring that every child has a full water safety education. So that's having water safety messaging in the classroom, giving them school swimming lessons and that experience in the pool, but nothing can beat actually getting into open water to put those messages into reality. Feeling that cold water and knowing how to remain calm, how to float, how to get help is so important and could potentially save someone's life.